It is called Construction Sector Transparency, and it's abbreviated COST. Now, I am the chairperson of the country program aimed at promoting and increasing transparency and accountability in publicly financed construction projects. NCIC, National Construction Industry Council, has partnered up with the Integrity Platform, which is under the roof of African Institute for Corporate Citizenship. Internationally, our partners include Partnership for Transparency Fund, based in Washington, but also COST International Secretariat in London, as well as the COST Africa Regional Office in Kampala, Uganda.
Malawi has been implementing the construction sector transparency initiative for a number of years as a regulator in the construction industry. Our major concern is quality infrastructure.
I represent the Malawi Engineering Institution. The institution was established through an Act of Parliament, Malawi Engineering Institution 2019, Act 2019. Basically, it regulates the practice, the engineering practice in the country, ethical and professional standards in the engineering industry.
Infrastructure is key because it defines development agenda. Infrastructure translates development ideas into tangible facilities. Infrastructure is a complex arena. It is usually dogged with the wastefulness as well as corruption. Therefore, it is important that we dive into this arena because it is a multi-million-dollar industry. Having said that, civil society are a voice of the voiceless. Now, they speak on behalf of the disenfranchised. They speak on behalf of the less privileged. Now, when civil society wants to communicate, wants to play their advocacy role in infrastructure, they need to be doing that from a well-informed position. Hence, we need to build their capacity.
I would say that the first and foremost is to develop a project governance framework. Who and the experts that are involved in project selection and the modalities for the project selection, and then how the projects are being selected, the options that have been weighed, the duty or the responsibility of the condoning side,
Kumbola Malawi naliyense kumaso nziga imene magonda dziko lake ndi misewu yabwino
kubanga ndi amapanga misewu yabwino koma nonsewo kuti ulimbe nsewu kuti ukhazikike uli magalimoto kumadusa chilichonse kumayenda bwinobwino ndesi zithera umangokhala wokongola kwa chaka chimodzi kungotha chaka chimodzi wonse bawo lunsewu wonse lolo unali wabwinobwino.
Malawi kwathu kuno tinaoneko mzimayi amene amakhala ngati oti kugwira nawo ntchito ya misewu ndimakuona ndibambo okhaokha.
Its main objective is just to put bare the facts on what is called material project information to the public and the necessary stakeholders. Within the initiative itself, there is no legal framework to take punitive measures. But when the information is put bare before in the public domain and for the relevant stakeholders, then those charged with this particular mandates can actually take action depending on the nature of the issues.
Construction is Also, world over, construction contributes a very, very big percentage of the GDP and the economic development. I mean, it has changed the skylines of many countries. It's engineering and construction. It has changed how people find solutions, transportation, water, utility. And so all these things, if we need to see a change in our economic development, we need to put efforts where things matter, like construction.
In this regard, let me thank the European Union for making resources available for this brilliant project, which will make a difference in the socio-economic development of Malawi. If we walk the talk, if government walks the talk in this transparency and accountability, and then you factor in the vibrancy of a capacitated civil society, and with beautiful programs that, like the one EU is rolling, EU and the Coast Malawi are rolling out in a short while, we should see change in the way procurement are handled, more especially complying to the dictates that are stipulated in the PPDA law.